Alrighty, pitter patterers. It's been a minute since I made a video, but I says that in the last video that it was going to be a minute. But what has conspired since then? A lot of things. First thing, the most coolest thing, I got my CDL. I passed the test. Now only if I could figure out how to drive. That would be nice. The other thing is new rearage. Well, it's under garbage bag right now because I didn't put the power divider on. Also, it is 5:30 and it is very dark out. And so I brought home a light tower from work because ain't nothing gonna stop Brockway working on it. Working on nothing. So that's what we got. But tonight, Zach's coming over with this little cherry picker to do the back rear. If we can, we will see. Also, this rear here fought me so bad. I was gonna make a video, and then I actually lost my camera for a good couple days. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I don't know how many days. But yeah, that rear fought me. I also did a Backwoods rebuild, which I will put pictures in right now. Those pictures are just because I couldn't find my camera and I wasn't going to try and shoot footage with my phone because it's not that important. And so pretty much what I did is I took apart the power divider. Just for the next like 2 minutes, if you get bored, just skip this part. But I have to explain how we got here, okay, with the new rear-ish. The first thing is that I bought a set of 444 rears a long time ago for that black truck, which is now being parted out because I don't have time for it, and it's a big project. So I bought 444s for that. This truck has 780s, which is very slow. So I want to put my 444s in here, but I remember the day that I bought them, I couldn't get the ring and pinion to rotate. So what I ended up doing was I still ended up buying them because it's not common to find 444s that I know would fit the Rockwells that are in a lot of Brockways. So I took it apart. I took it apart in the garage the other night, like 4 nights ago. So I don't remember, but I took it apart because I couldn't get it to rotate still. Come to find out, I will show you. I was gonna plug the garage in, but I didn't yet. Well, excuse me. There's a power divider. Well, somebody has made trash my garage. Oh yeah, it's me. I trashed the garage. Just hold the thought. I need to get a light towel. Okay, so now that we have light in here, this is awesome. Okay, so this is the power divider. The teeth are gone. This thing is sloppy, and that's the rear I'm putting in today. This is the output. Well, hold on, before I get to that, sorry, going off track here. Power divider was really bad. The teeth were in the bottom of the pumpkin, which would be like bottom of there, but on the bigger one, because it's the power divider. Oh, I'll just show you. So this is the 780s that I pulled off, holding my water bottle. So there's a gear set that kind of goes into here, and then this is where your shaft comes through for your power divider. And that thing that I just showed you, that the teeth are gone, that was here. There's another gear here that had chunks out of it. No, it did not. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. So what I ended up doing is taking the power divider off of this rear, which is the factory rear, the 780. I bolted the power divider onto my 444s to get rid of the 780, and it all went together perfectly. I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but it did. And then it fought me getting the axle in because I've never done it before and it was a pain. But anyways, and the vibration that I got the one time, you guys, if you guys watched my previous videos, the vibration that I got from driving my drive shaft, I'm trying to talk fast so that I don't bore you, but the drive shaft that I welded, I thought was causing major vibrations, but I actually remeasured it. It's really not off that bad. It probably still caused vibrations, but not as bad as I was getting. I was getting it so the whole cab was just violently shaking. Well, come to find out, this carrier bearing here, it's just opposite, like this. Well, okay, stay. Is so bad that that's what was causing the constant shower of rear end oil everywhere every time I drove it. Bearings are gone. So the shaft that came out of the other rears was actually really good. So everything's going pretty well. And now we're gonna actually get started to working on this. And that 4 minutes that I just explained all of it would have been 4 minutes of time lapse, but instead you got to hear me talk. Anywho, so let's get doing something. Wah! This is not paint, this is rust film, which explains when I dropped the oil out.
Yeah, you see the difference?
Oh yeah.
Between clean
and these gears. I mean, what I'm putting in is not much better, but we're gonna have 444s. We're gonna be able to do 60, 70 miles an hour. Nope, 67. 67, did the math, exactly 67 miles an hour.
putting all the horse torques to the ground.
All the 210 horsepower's right to it. Well, she's out. Now we gotta do a bunch of boring prep work. Alrighty, so this is what we got going on. The rear is out, and now I have to climb my fat butt inside this hole to clean the face of this rear up, and Zach was kind and cleaned that up, and I cleaned this up. There's a little bit of cleaning going on here, which is really odd for the old Dean, because clean does not rhyme with Dean, am I right? Well, if it did, it doesn't. It does. I probably would be better at cleaning, but let's get some cleaning done.
What was that?
A walrus does fit in a small hole, huh? Clean as a lima bean. We're getting there. It'll fight you going in, I'm telling you. Well, it's on. Next thing you know, we'll have it all bolted up. Alrighty, so we did you guys just saw about 2 seconds ago. Yes, that is completely bolted in now. Truck bar's got to go on. Drive shaft's got to go in. I got one new U-joint because I'm cheap. All of this is back together. Got a lot of stuff done. Throw it together, and we're gonna drive it. The weather broke, so it's really nice out now. So we are going to, if it starts at least, we're going to be driving the old 444s. I'm excited. I'm super excited. So hopefully you guys will be excited too. I got it all buttoned up, oil in. Let's see if this truck moves. And see how it moves. Oh, forgot that. Totally forgot that. I put it in second. Normally that's what I start off in. So see the difference with the 444s in second. It kind of bogs it down quite a bit. Oh, first gear kind of isn't a granny gear anymore. All right, one more thing I'm gonna do on it, and then we're gonna take this thing for a rip down the road. Alrighty. The old 358, it moves, the rears don't leak, and it moves fast. I'll be honest, I didn't even dare put it in 5th gear because I got trailer tires on the back and they were just going all over the place. Sorry my camera fell. The beginning of what you guys did see me driving, it was way different than driving with the old rears, I'll be honest. And towards the end, when I shut the camera off after it fell, but towards the end, it moves. I'm really happy. The only thing that might hurt me is just down or going hills. I imagine those 780s were spec'd to this truck and engine for a reason, but I think that these 444s will be a little bit better. I still have real deep reduction in low range throughout my splitter and stuff, but man, I had it in 4th gear and then 4th gear on my auxiliary, and I kept right up with traffic. My speedometer doesn't work, but anyways, there you have it. Truck's fast, 444s are in. I'm stoked. Now I'm for real this time. I'm gonna park the truck and clean the yard here and put it in the garage for the winter, I think. I don't know. Anyways, pitter patter, don't forget to like and subscribe.